In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new web login with Bitwarden. Managing your passwords effectively is crucial in today's digital age, and Bitwarden is a fantastic tool to help you do just that. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to fire up your web browser and head over to the Bitwarden website, which is renowned for being one of the best password managers for business, enterprise, and personal use. If you haven't set up an account yet, now is the perfect time to go through their Get Started Free option. Creating an account is straightforward. You just need to fill out your information, follow the prompts, and you'll be set up in no time. Once you're logged into your Bitwarden account, you'll be directed to your vault. This is where all your saved logins and notes are securely kept. Within your vault, you'll notice a menu. Look for the option labeled Add Item. This is the tool that will allow us to input and store our new login credentials. After clicking Add Item, you'll be greeted with a form that is intuitively designed to make this process seamless. Now, here's where you fill in all the necessary fields. You'll typically enter the name of the login, the username, the password, and the URL of the site you're saving credentials for. There's also room for adding notes or tags, a handy way to ensure you can keep your vault organized and manageable. It's important to take your time while filling these out. Double-check your credentials for accuracy to avoid any frustrations later on. Remember, using strong and unique passwords for each login is strongly advised. Bitwarden has a password generator tool that you can utilize if you need help creating a secure password. This adds an extra layer of security to your digital identity. Once you're satisfied with the details you've entered, it's time to save your hard work. Simply click the Save button, often located at the bottom of the form. You'll see your new login neatly added to your vault, ready for you to access whenever necessary. And that's it. You've successfully added a new web login to Bitwarden. Thank you for joining me on this quick guide. Remember, by using a password manager like Bitwarden, you're taking significant steps toward better protecting yourself online, ensuring your data remains secure and accessible only by you. If you have any questions or need more tips, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.